Okay, it's either starve to death or work in the rain. I got my tools out there under a tarp. That's a saw stop, table saw. If that blade gets wet, wet wood touches it, it'll think it's my finger and it'll damage this cartridge. $70. I have to replace it. Anyway, I got all my window sash pieces cut on there. I'm making an old-fashioned window on these buggers. This one here's got dry rot. It's over here. That one there. I got those two finished over there. So I got to completely make a new one. I love this old carpentry stuff. It's a lot of fun. Anyways, it's raining like hell out here. But I'll give you misery loves company. And here's my sash pieces. I gotta route them on my router table. There's so much to do, and all this freaking rain. It's June, and I feel so bad about griping about it with the hurricanes out there and back east. I never feel for some of you guys. I apologize for me complaining. Anyways, if everybody's safe, have a good one.